Hi.
Hi, we are from Mauritius. We are in the furniture making business. We came to China for CNC machines. I spoke to Freya from Alibaba. We talked and I thought it was better if I came to see the machine, and really it is like she said, it's very good, it's good quality, nice performance. I saw more machines, so I went to the Canton Fair, but I like this one. Its price is good. Staff is very helpful. And yeah, um, the computer, it is a bit complicated, but I think we can use it. They told us how to use, and we made the visit today. And yeah, I recommend you to come here. Um, and if you can speak to Freya only for other staff to help you. Yeah. Thank you.
Very helpful.